So we're about to cut Bernadette's bangs.
Oh, shut up.
She's a little nervous.
I'm trusting you big time, Miss Emily. Don't let me down.
This is the before.
Oh no.
And we'll come back. See, look at
They're
before
pretty long.
Bernadette.
I mean,
they are. They're
have
really
no
cute.
bangs. All right.
Okay. I can't wait to see them. Okay, so we're just gonna like cut this piece right here.
Oh no.
Oh no. Here, and you just hold this right here. Hold this camera right here.
Oh, you want me to hold the camera while you cut?
Yeah, we're gonna get it on
Okay,
camera.
you focus on the cutting part.
We're getting it on camera.
Oh,
Ready?
I think so.
There you go.
Oh, that's a lot of hair. No turning back now. Oh my god, that's really a lot of hair gone.
Oh my god, these are so cute. OMG, look at how cute she looks already, and I haven't even like fringed it up.
Oh, I can't wait!
Can we not like
I haven't
get
even
in
seen
focus?
it yet.
You look so
Really? I see the little
super
fringy
rad.
parts.
You look so rad.
Rad, that's what I was going for.
Super
Oh
cute.
my gosh.
Oh my
I'm
god,
nervous.
so
I'm
cute.
nervous.
Seriously, just missed her reaction, but you have to tell me, how do you like your hair?
I love it, I love it. I was really prepared to be just nice and polite and say that I like it, but I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it.
She likes me. She really likes me.